Fel-Pro PermaDryPlus, designed for the repair environment. In the real world, vehicles age. Time and passing miles take their toll. Engine components begin to wear, and inevitably, they begin to leak. And if the problem isn't fixed, it just gets worse. That's where Fel-Pro can help. Our PermaDryPlus gaskets are designed for the real world to provide a perfect seal on less than perfect surfaces. These premium gaskets incorporate proprietary technologies that are impervious to all types of coolant and oil leaks, solving sealing problems commonly encountered in the repair environment. Fel-Pro PermaDryPlus gaskets are application-specific, featuring one-piece molded rubber construction for superior blowout resistance, a rigid carrier that provides superior durability, precision sealing beads to reinforce potential leak paths, superior heat resistance to assure longer life, torque limiters to prevent over-tightening. Fel-Pro PermaDryPlus gaskets are designed to provide a perfect seal on less than perfect surfaces, making them the best real-world choice to stop leaks. Install Fel-Pro, the gaskets professionals trust.